Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday 24th of April 2018. So yesterday we had a sell signal up at the DP level. Market then closing through this and then trading straight down to the close where it found support and then eventually driving through. The market tested on very high volume, came back up, there was some selling pressure, and then once the market reversed back through the psychological level of 140, we see the market then reversing and continuing all the way down to the 139.50. This is a crucial area, as we've spoken of many times, but you can see how the close and the low of Friday here was the resistance to this market. The market then came back up to the S1, back to the psychological level of 139.50, and then just traded sideways, and the market has drifted slightly lower, but heading back towards this level, having tested down at Monday's low here. You can see how the market's been brought back. Just the one trade there, market moving lower off the short. We've got the market trading down to the 139.65 on high volume. There's some selling around 4 yesterday, and if we just move across to the left here, this is the next downside target. We've also got a small one here, so you can see all of these lows to the left here will be areas of support for this market. From this low to this high, this is a major area also. I'm just going to drag these out of the way so you can see this one. This is the important one. If I can just grab this one. So this is the area that is most important. 138.71 there is going to be a major support area at that 76% level. News today, not a lot again. We've just got 3 p.m. We've got the CB consumer confidence from the US. Nothing else really to take note of there, and again the market generally ignoring the news at the moment anyway. In the Dow, also the market, similar picture, hitting the DP level, then sells off. Bit of support down at the close of Friday. The market then brought back, and then down we go to the major psychological level here of 24,400 before the market bounces back to another psychological level. Plus you've got the DP again in this area, and it will be a 76% retracement as well, I would have thought. Let's just have a look. It is. Let me just get rid of the extend right out of there so we can see it. There you go. So we've got the 76% area as well for this market. So banging its head against here, back below the 76%, and then down we go. Well, this market trades sideways, and now the close of Friday becomes an issue, and then we have another sell signal for the end of the session, coming down to the minor psychological level there, which is going to be 24,350 before the market rallies back just after the close there. And we've got the market sideways really. It's come back off the DP. It was tested here. Market's moved higher so far and back above the 24,400, which is finding support on there at the moment. So outside of yesterday's trend line that we drew in, the market's banging its head against this at the moment, and the 76%. It's going to need to drive higher if it's going to get back in here. At the moment it is a resistance area for this market. So let's see what it does. But at the moment looking fairly bullish, and the reason for that is quite simple. We've got a lot of volume here, market coming off the low. We know this type of price bar is consistent with moving higher. So it is likely that the market will drive back through this area. Finally in Bitcoin, this breaking through the 9,218 level as I record, and sitting nicely on this trend line that we've had in there for the last few days as well. Next upside target, because it looks like it's not stopping at the moment, is going to be 9,900, and then of course we're going to have from this high down to this low, we're going to have the 76% level, which the market is likely to test if it breaks above the 10,000 mark, which at the moment is only $800 away. So again, continuing to move higher at this time. Again, didn't expect it to do this, but then again, it's a law unto itself. It's not an ordinary market by any means, but at the moment it's to the upside, even though it's going up on low volume at this time. Right, that will do it for this one. If there's anything to report during the day, I will let you know. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.